Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your VIVO V23. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Here let's write Microsoft Edge. Like that, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. And after installation process is complete, we can open the app. And begin customizing it. So here you can log into other account in order to sync other Microsoft Edge browsers. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. And here you can either agree or not to agree to help improve Microsoft by showing your data and preferences. I'm not gonna do that. And here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. So yes, let's do it. Let's pick browser app and select Microsoft Edge. Now let's go back and our browser is ready. We can open any website and it should be working. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.